Students, sit down. Stand up. Stand up. Touch your head. Hands down. Walk. Stop. Start jumping. Stop jumping. Stop. You can sleep. Wake up. Now you will do the opposite action. Okay? If I say stand up, then you will sit down. If I say sit down, then you will stand up. If I say wake up, then you will sleep. Okay? That means you will do the opposite action of my instruction. So, walk. Very good. Sleep. Wake up. Yes. Wake up. Not. Wake up. Sleep. Sit down. Stand up. Sit down. Okay. Hands down. Touch your head. Now we will get winner and runner up. That means champion and runner up. Okay. So stand up. Sit down. Start jumping. Stop jumping. Start jumping.